Hello mayam, English ngang natragana iba haige hairagadi wahi pareng semba haiba darkar lay. Wahi pareng sembada laihananaba step manga haizage munna tabiyu aduga notebook amada isanbiyu. Ahanbada wahi singdu order chumna thamu. Khwaidagi common oiba sentence ki order si subject plus verb plus object yauragadi ko. Example, Tomba ate the banana. Subject si Tomba ni, verb sina ate ni, object sina the banana sineba. Chauba plucks a flower. Subject Chauba, verb plucks, object a flower. Aduna common oiba structure si subject plus verb plus object niko. Object yauragadi adum fazan khangjan biyu. Hojik haiba structure ji sinarga simple oiba sentence adum ibi yareba. Ani subada parts of speech haiba si matam khudingmakta wahi amakhak natte. Subject verb natraga object si marakta wahi mayamna semeba. Aduna wahi amamtada yengbagi mahutta sentence tugi apunba structure de yeng. Sentence sumhange haragadi ko. Wahi individually wahi amamtada yenganoba. Sentence tugi whole structure da yengaga khangadawneba. Aduna tragadi sentence si semba natraga ibda lalakpa yayabko. Example yengsi, students who study hard get good marks. Subject students who study hard. Wahi mayam punsilaga semba subject si koina subject phrase natraga predicate ko biyay. Aduna koi ki wakalda students khak yengadi yaroy ko ngasagi structure du semda. Students who study hard punsilaga subject se koina subject phrase natraga predicate kaushalaga adum subject ohen biyare natra. Aduma munna khangjalo natraga di ngasagi structure du lale harakane abako. Ahum subada object makhal ani lay. Direct object and indirect object. Object ka direct connection laiba object to. Subject siga direct connection laiba object to ikoina direct object haiganeo. Adagi indirect object na subject laiba connection du son ba haibtare. Weak oiba. My connection si weak oiba son ba haibati lapthok na ba haibtare ko. The subject in a direct connection inaknaknaba connection oragadi sat samjannaba yaba pot oragadi ko adu oragadi ekoina direct object haiganeb adu nataba atokpa yawriba object to ekoina indirect object haina khangnaganeba indirect object ka indirect object is khangdaba yadeba sagi structures da lakpa kansida ko. Example yengzi, he gave me the book. Direct object se book ni mahakna pirai du karino book natra. Direct connection lay draw. Indirect object me, he gave me. Kanada no period ingonda ko. I bought a runny fee for my sister. Direct object runny fee. Indirect object my sister. I bought a runny fee. Aina layri du karino runny fee. Kanagino for my sister. Aigi sienatra isangi ko. For my sister. And direct object runny fee. Indirect object my sister. Sumaina direct object indirect object se koina khangjinba ma darkar laiba aduga mathangi jam khayang ko simaya maroi ko. I bought my sister a runny fee. Sigi sentence dagi direct amasung indirect object sing khenaba order amada thamkhreba. Sagi order du yeng ko ahanbagi sentence to kana torga mamanglom de singkalam ko yeng ko order si kitang khenana idra iko ureko karigumba direct object sina last lagadi preposition sinabagi mathau tade. Preposition sina position taini location taini adugumba mayam takpado position takpado the preposition neba aduna hojik position taiba preposition se karigumba object na last layramagadi ekoina hojik hariba preposition se sizinaroi habani ko. Example sida yeng bada am line khangi ko. I bought my sister aranifi masaidi for my sister haiba for do hojikti yaudre ko adu muna khangjalo. Number 4 da compound sentence sing su structure chap manana follow tawi adubu masina anirak tawi. Compound sentence di clause natraga section anina semi sida sentence ani du gi tangkhai du samjinnana ba conjunction ama sijane aduga tangkhai ani du structure chamane. Example yenga fazana gyan tagani. Example si fazana yengu. Tombo fried chicken and his sister bought some beer. Structure ko subject verb object plus subject verb object. Tomba subject, fried verb, chicken object, and conjunction ko enze. His sister subject, bought verb, some beer object. Animak side animak ki structure samana ko subject verb object harba structure samanadra adagi n harba conjunction japchilaga muk subject verb object hain laktra. Then compound sentence ki jiso fazana khangjalo iselo ko kawda warga di fazana not bomb da iselo. Number 5 pot khuding makki exception adum lai ko rule follow tawdaba chap chabi rule laitaba exception adum laiba aduna rule sing si gisu exceptions adumak laitaba dinate aduna exception sing du khar tamselo research tawro aduga exception ji kai no tamselo aduga sentence structure khar lai kudam moina passive voice tadi khar khenai. Passive voice ki matang da ina video mayam am sem gra hana mamang da ko aduna mamangi video sing du zong tang fazana yengjelo rule sing du structure gi rule sing do ina fazana ithoga haraga sem gramni adum fazan yengjelo do khangjelo. Declarative sentence sing si fazana khangbadagi di atai sentence structure sing tamselo mamangi video da ina sentence structure sing formation mayam ama rule ga loina na thagat chagre. Common noiba everyday conversation da di sigi araiba subject plus verb plus object hariba araiba structure je sina dum ngang sakpa mayam am yagani deal tawbu ngamganeba adu itarga su atai structure mayam khangjin ba bisi darkar lai maramdi English ngang da hena hainaba ko hena hainaba ibusu hena hainaba structure tai mayam du khangjilo. Hojikti nasana sentence form tawba hauzaro aduga nongmagi haiba hengalakani. All the very best. Subscribe tawda missing subscribe tawsinbiro aduga like tawsinbiro bell icon dus nambiro. Thanks for watching.